Hello everyone, David here at Showdown. Just going to do a quick walk around. This is a 1988 Chevy short bed. It's a 1500 half ton. It's a custom build. It's all custom paint. It's got a full air ride suspension system in it. 20-inch wheels in the front with 22s in the rear. We can get real close to the paint. It's got a little ghost striping down the sides that fades. Really sharp paint on this truck. Hard shell tonneau. The door handles and locks have been shaved. It's all remote now with keyless entry. Got a custom alarm system in it. Bumpers were removed and there's got your French tail lights and your marker lights, everything in they're shaved now. Just a nice truck. Somebody put a lot of time, a lot of money in this truck. Got the 5.7 liter V8, 350 in it. It's been mildly modified. This slight, but it's still street friendly. They built it to cruise and go to the car shows and stuff. All your power windows, your power locks, your tilt, cruise. It's got all your billet accessories. Custom sound system in it. Bucket seat console. Even the headliner's all done. It's all done in tweed, just like the seats. Really sharp. If you're looking for a custom truck, this is the truck. Got the louvered hood. Awesome wheels. 4-wheel disc brake all the way around that have been drilled. Engine compartment detail. This is a nice truck. Got the upgraded headlights in it. Built aluminum grill. Really looks sharp. Good looking dash, all custom dash. So everything's built aluminum in it. Got your air ride switch there. Buckets, console. All your air rides. Tanks there. So this is a first class car and it's really done right. If you have any questions at all, give us a call. David or Ron at Showdown, 586-791-0778, or go to our website, showdownauto.com. Thank you.